Shortest surah of Quran is dash. Surah Quraysh, Surah Fatiha, Surah Kausar, Surah Falak. Correct option is C. Surah Kausar. How many sajda are in Quran? Dash. 12, 14, 15, 16. Correct option is B. 14. How many ayat are in Quran? Dash. 66, 63, 64, 66, 65, 66, 66. Correct option is D. 66, 66. Which stone of Kaaba wall is cased? Dash. Hajr Aswad, Arafat, Uhud stone, no one. Correct option is A. Hajr Aswad. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Dash. Medina, Makkah, Riyadh, no one. Correct option is B. Makkah. First prophet of Allah is Dash. Nuh alayhi salam, Adam alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, no one. Correct option is B. Hazrat Adam. First Khalifa of Islam is Dash. Umar, Abu Bakr, Usman, Ali. Correct option is B. Abu Bakr. Second Khalifa of Islam is Dash. Umar, Abu Bakr, Khalid bin Walid, Usman. Correct option is A. Hazrat Umar Razatullah anhu. Third Khalifa of Islam is Hazrat Hamza, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Umar. Correct option is B. Hazrat Usman Razatullah anhu. Fourth Khalifa of Islam is Dash. Hazrat Zaid, Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Abbas. Correct option is C. Hazrat Ali Razatullah anhu. First Qibla of Islam is Dash. Makkah, Medina, Masjid Aqsa. Option A and C. Correct option is C. Masjid Aqsa. 12th Rabiul Awwal is the birthday of Hazrat Dash. Adam alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Correct option is D. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Who discovered boat? Dash. Adam alayhi salam, Nuh alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Yaqub alayhi salam. Correct option is B. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comments and subscribe channel for more information.